Okay, so let's determine how we can find the chemical formula for a hydrate. So the other video didn't work, so we're going to try this again. So first off, you have 2.5 of a blue copper sulfate hydrate. Hydrate means it's going to have a water molecule in it. The anhydrous, as mentioned below, does not have water in it. So our first step is we're going to find out how much water we actually have in our hydrate. Since we have our anhydrous, we can figure out our hydrate. So here's how we do that. We just subtract the difference. So we're going to take 2.5 minus 1.59 grams. Subtract that out. Sorry, losing a little space here. And you get 0.91 grams of H2O. Now we're going to convert grams into moles. So we're going to do that for both water and the anhydrous compound. Remember, the anhydrous compound is going to be our compound itself. So we have 0.91 grams. We're going to put 1 mole of water here. Remember, the molar mass of water goes on the bottom, and that is going to be 18 grams. H2O, divide that out, and you get 0.05 moles of H2O. We're going to do that for our anhydrous. So we start with 1.59 grams of our anhydrous. We have 1 mole on top. And on the bottom, we have 159.6 grams of our copper sulfate. Multiply the top divided by the bottom, you get a 0.00996 moles of our copper sulfate. So then we solve for X. X is going to be the number of water molecules that we have in the compound. So X is going to be equal to the moles of H2O over our moles of copper sulfate that we just solved for. So we have 0.05 over our 0.00996, and you get 5. So when we write the chemical formula for this now, we're going to write copper sulfate. That does not change. But we have 5 H2O. And so if we write the name for this, this is copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. So let's do one more of these problems. We're going to use barium this time, barium chloride. So we are given the mass of our hydrate, barium chloride, and our anhydrous, barium chloride. So we have to figure out how much water we have. So we take our 5.0 grams minus our 4.26 grams. And in this case, we get 0.74 grams of H2O. First step completed. Second step, convert grams of water and grams of our anhydrous to moles. So 0.74 grams of H2O to 1 mole of H2O. We find the molar mass of water, which is 18 grams of H2O. Divide that out, and you get 0.041 moles of water. Then we go down 4.26 grams of barium chloride, BaCl2. Convert that into moles. So we have 1 mole of barium chloride, and we have 208 grams, because that's the molar mass of barium chloride. Divide that out, and you get 0.02 moles of barium chloride. Now we have to solve for X. Remember, X is equal to the moles of H2O over our moles of barium chloride. And this is going to equal 0.04 over 0.02, and we get 2. So we write the chemical formula for this. It's BaCl2, 2H2O, and the name would be barium chloride, and it would be dihydrate. And that's how we name these.